in my experience, that has been the trickiest problem. And I think uh, mature organizations do it really well, of course. And and when we say mature organization, that literally means mature employees and mature folks who are like ready to change, can see the big picture, can see the need or the why behind it. But in as assuming that that's not the case, um, what I've seen work is constant communication. So it starts from the top, start from your business stakeholders who is sponsoring the change. Go out and talk about it. Have a town hall with your people, have a town hall with your impacted employees, and talk to them about why this change is important for the organization. And the reason can never be that we will be able to save 6 FTEs. It can never be that. It has to be something bigger than that. That hey, our customers are going to get better service, or we are going to save you guys will be able to do things much efficiently, so you are not spending time in sweeping through the papers. Things, those are the right motivators. Make them very clear and transparent. If there are job losses involved in this, be transparent about it. That hey, yes, there are 6 FTEs that will be impacted by this, and this is what we are doing about it. But if the message is, hey, Utkarsh, can you train your replacement AI to sort of do your job, and here is a 6 months severance? That's never a motivating factor. There's like no way they're gonna train it, and it's recipe for failure.